Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video I'm going to unlock this Lenovo laptop. This is a T14 Gen 1 and it has BIOS passwords. So in this video I will try to remove this BIOS passwords. So let me show you. As soon as I turning on, I press F1, try to enter BIOS menu, and as you can see it's one finger pin, but it's not working. So I press escape and now it's want system security supervisor password. So now I will try to fix this laptop. So let's try to fix it. So this is the motherboard, you can see here, and as we know, the BIOS password is stored inside this BIOS chip, but this kind of laptop motherboard, the BIOS password is stored inside this MEC IO controller here, as you can see here inside this chip. So now I will connect to my BIOS programmer with JTAG here. You can see here this connector. So let's do it first. So as you can see, I already connect my SBOD programmer with this motherboard via JTAG connector, you can see here. So now I will try to flush this MEC chip. So let's plug it in. Let's open my SBOD programmer here, select this MEC, right, and as you can see it's detect the chip. So first of all I need to back up this file, and I need to configure this MEC chip 256 here, and then I have to read here. Let's save this. Okay, verify is done. So now I will check problem solve or not. Okay, now it's time to check problem solve or not. So as you can see, I set everything. So let's plug it in and press the power button. So press F1. Okay, it's entering BIOS. Okay, let's get the security tab here, and as you can see, password is disabled now. No more password. So we successfully removed password from this Lenovo laptop. So I hope you all are enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.